Hello, welcome back to the second session of common verbs. We'll start with take. Take. Take in Kikuyu is oya. 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 To take is kuoya. Kuoya. Do you remember the rules? You either add G-O or K-O. So, kuoya. We cannot say kuoya. We'll say kuoya. So, oya, kuoya. Let's say that together. Oya and kuoya. In a sentence, I'll say, take this cup. Take this cup. Oya gikobe giki. Oya gikobe giki. Let's say that together. Oya gikobe giki. Oya gikobe giki. Take this cup. Oya gikobe giki. Are we together? The next one is see. See. See in Kikuyu we say ona. 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 O-N-A. Ona. Ona. But to see, we'll say kuona. Kuona. To see. Kuona. So, ona and kuona. Let's say that together. Ona. And to see, kuona. Nice. In a sentence, I can say, I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. I'll say, nega kuona rusio. Nega kuona rusio. Let's say that. Nega kuona rusio. Nega kuona rusio. I will see you tomorrow. Nega kuona rusio. Very nice. The next one is come. Come. Come is oka. 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 Let's say that. Oka. Oka. Now, to come is ruka. Ruka. Remember the rules? This time around we are adding G-O. Ruka. Oka. Ruka. Let's say that. Oka. And to come, ruka. Nice. An example, if I wanted to say they will come, maybe today or later in the day, I'll say nemeruka. Nemeruka. They will come maybe in a few minutes. Nemeruka. So let's say that. Nemeruka. Nemeruka. They will come. The next one is think. Think. Think is Assyria. 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 Did I say Syria? I'm thinking Assyria. So let's say that. Assyria. 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 To think is Syria. Syria. Let's say that. Syria. To think. Syria. Syria. An example, if I wanted to say, I will think about it, or I will think about that thing, yeah? I will think about it. I'll say, Syria uhoro usio. Syria uhoro usio. Syria uhoro usio. Although, if you want to say, I will go think about it, I will go think about it, you can say, Negodhie, I will go, Negodhie Syria. Negodhie Syria Odo Osio or Ohoro Osio. So let's say using Odo. Negodhie Syria Odo Osio. Negodhie Syria Odo Osio. I will go think about it. Good.